Jeep Wrangler finally improves crash safety after years of rollover. Concerns: the Jeep Wrangler, known for its rugged off-road capability, has historically faced criticism for its unstable handling in crashes. For the 2026 model year, Jeep has implemented a key structural upgrade that drastically reduces the risk of rollovers in front impact collisions. This fix, confirmed by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, brings the Wrangler's safety performance up to an acceptable level in small overlap crash tests. The problem? A history of instability for years. The Wrangler's high center of gravity, narrow design, and boxy shape made it prone to tipping during crashes. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, the Wrangler has exhibited a rollover risk of around 26.7%, considerably higher than most other SUVs. Previous crash tests, including one from 2022, showed the vehicle tipping dramatically on impact. Even an earlier update in 2020 failed to fully resolve the issue, resulting in a marginal safety rating due to continued rollover risk and potential injuries to occupants. The solution: reinforcing the frame rail. The critical improvement comes from a redesigned front frame rail, now standard on all 2026 Wrangler and Gladiator models built after October 2025. This reinforcement keeps the vehicle upright during driver-side small overlap crash tests, effectively solving a long-standing safety concern. The IIHS test video clearly demonstrates the improved stability. What this means for drivers: while the acceptable rating is a significant step forward, the Wrangler still falls short of qualifying for a top safety pick award. The IIHS notes that there remains a risk of injury to the front passenger's right foot and lower leg in certain crashes. However, this update marks a substantial improvement for Wrangler enthusiasts who prioritize safety alongside off-road performance. The fix directly addresses a major weakness that has plagued the vehicle for years, making it a safer choice for everyday driving. In short, Jeep has finally delivered on a long-needed safety upgrade, bringing the iconic Wrangler closer to industry standards without compromising its rugged appeal.